Welcome to our channel. Today we how to submit a Menards rebate, online rebate form guide step by step clearly. Start by finding your rebate receipt and confirm it shows a rebate offer number and the purchase date. Check the rebate submission deadline printed on the receipt so you know you are still within the allowed time window. Gather the documents you may need, including the receipt details and any product information if required. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to the official Menards website. Use the site search and type rebate, then open the page for rebates or rebate center. Look for the option that says Submit Rebate Online, Online Rebate, or Rebate Submission Form and click it. If the site asks you to sign in, log in with your Menards account or create one using your email address. Carefully read any instructions on the form page so you understand what information must match your receipt. Enter your name exactly as you want it to appear on the rebate check. Type your mailing address carefully, because the rebate will be mailed to this address. Double-check your city, state, and zip code to avoid delivery delays. Enter a valid email address so you can receive confirmation or updates if available. Locate the receipt number or transaction information on your receipt and enter it exactly as shown. Enter the store number if the form requests it, and make sure it matches the location on the receipt. Add the purchase date and verify the format the form requires, such as mm/dd/YYYY. Input the rebate offer number from the receipt, because this links your purchase to the correct promotion. If the form requests item details, enter the SKU or product code and confirm it matches the purchased item. If there is an upload section, take a clear photo or scan of your receipt with all text readable. Upload the receipt image file and wait until the website shows the upload is complete. Review every field one more time and compare it directly with the receipt to catch typos. Check the box for terms and conditions after you have read and understood the rebate requirements. Complete any CAPTCHA or verification step to prove you are not a bot. Click the Submit button and do not close the page until you see a confirmation message. Save the confirmation number or take a screenshot as proof of your submission. Check your email for a confirmation message and keep it in case you need support later. Use the rebate tracking tool on the Menards rebate page if it provides a way to check status. Allow processing and mailing time, because rebates can take several weeks depending on the promotion. If your rebate does not arrive after the stated time frame, contact Menards Rebate Support with your confirmation and receipt details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.